What if I told you that the secret to massive, unstoppable growth isn't just strategy or technology, it's a radical shift in mindset. Organizations like JCorp are embracing this shift, and results are game-changing. Today, I'm going to be introducing the Exponential Organizations model and how it can help unlock exponential growth and redefine what's possible for your business. Let's dive in. At their latest board retreat, JCorp President and Chief Executive emphasized the critical need to shift mindsets, embrace bold action, and leverage advanced technologies to drive exponential growth. This approach directly connects with our ExO model.
Our journey begins with an overarching massive transformative purpose, or MTP. Staff on demand, community and crowd, algorithms, leverage assets and engagement, interfaces, dashboards, experimentation, autonomy, and social technologies.
The ExO model, which is outlined by our co-founder Salim Ismail, is made up of three elements: an MTP and the scale and ideas attributes. These attributes are the blueprint for organizations aiming to achieve massive and sustainable growth. The first attribute, the massive transformative purpose, or MTP, is about having a compelling and ambitious mission that drives your organization. JCorp's commitment to innovation and sustainable growth clearly demonstrates their MTP, creating value, enabling sustainable communities, pushing them to lead not just in Malaysia, but on the global stage. The scale attributes allow an organization to leverage resources that drive rapid growth. JCorp is already implementing these elements, like engaging their community and using advanced algorithms to stay ahead of the curve. It's about using external resources effectively to scale faster. Ideas focus on internal control frameworks that allow an organization to remain agile. Through initiatives like the JCorp Academy and Cerebrum, JCorp is fostering a culture of experimentation, autonomy, and continuous learning, turning knowledge into a strategic advantage. Salim's presence at their latest leadership forum, alongside other thought leaders like Lawrence C. of Microsoft Malaysia, highlighted the importance of embracing exponential thinking, AI, and digital transformation as critical drivers of modern business strategies. JCorp's journey is a testament to the power of embracing the Exponential Organizations model. By focusing on MTP, scale, and ideas, they're not just aiming for growth, they're redefining the boundaries of what's possible. We're excited to support organizations like JCorp on their path to exponential growth. If you're looking to transform your business, dive into the Exponential Organizations model and let's shape the future together. You can join our weekly ExO Workshop by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from OpenExO. We really hope you enjoyed this video. The algorithm thinks you'll enjoy this video next.